Hey guys, so this is the follow-up video that I had promised that I would make once I get my Sony XB100 replaced. So this is the replaced unit. It's the new one and I've tested it, and I had said that I would let you guys know if the Sony XB100, which I reviewed, which had very poor volume, where I said the volume was extremely low and it's an absolute deal breaker for me and for the masses as well. So I was hoping that it was just a faulty unit and not the XB100s in general. So this is the replacement unit. I've tested it and unfortunately the volume on this sucks too. So if you're planning to take this outdoors or near the pool or a beach, whatever, with outside or ambient noise, this is going to fall short. And even for medium gatherings in a small enclosed space, it's going to do okay, but you would be left wanting for a lot more volume, which this just cannot provide. So once again, I'm going to give you a sound test. I'm going to play a track on this at max volume so that you guys get an idea. It's going to be in the same setting as I did my review of the XB100. So I'm just going to replicate that and play this. So yeah, this just confirms or reassures my verdict initially that you should not spend close to 5 grand on the Sony XB100 because there are a number of speakers out there which are also portable but definitely outperform the Sony XB100 in terms of features and the overall volume output. Now sure, the highs and mids do sound good on this, but it's worthless when the volume is so incredibly low. So that just defeats the purpose and is a deal breaker. If you ask for my opinion, I would say you should not buy the Sony XB100. If you have any good reason to buy it, do let me in the comments below, but I would advise any sane person to not buy this. Anyway, that's enough said. Now let's get into the sound test. You're going to listen to a track on this at max volume and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And I think I should also compare this to the Sound Drum P, which I did with my initial unit, so that you guys get the idea. Alright, so that's been it. Enjoy the sound test, subscribe to this channel for more, and I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one. Cheers.